Palomar 13's last stand. Datum: 2001-130. Globular star cluster Palomar 13 has roamed the halo of our Milky Way galaxy for the last 12 billion years. The apparently sparse cluster of stars just left of center in this composite color digital image. It is one of the smallest, faintest globular clusters known. The bright foreground star near a planet transits the Sun. Datum: 20040608. Today an astronomical event will occur that no living person has ever seen. Venus will cross directly in front of the Sun. A Venus crossing, called a transit, last occurred in 1882 and was front-page news around the world. Today's transit will be visible in its entirety throughout Europe and most Vorwerpsures in space. Datum: 201-50404. Mysterious Hanny's Voorwerp, Dutch for Hanny's object, is really enormous. About the size of the Milky Way galaxy and glowing strongly in the greenish light produced by ionized oxygen atoms, it is thought to be a tidal tail of material left by an ancient galaxy merger, illuminated and ionized by T radio, the Big Ear, and the WOW signal. Datum: 199-80917. Since the early days of radio and television, we have been freely broadcasting signals into space. For some time now, we have been listening to Ohio State University's radio telescope, affectionately known as the Big Ear, was one of the first and largest listeners. Designed by John Krause. OSU's Orion in Gas, Dust, and Stars. Datum: 201-20212. The constellation of Orion holds much more than 3 stars in a row. A deep exposure shows everything from dark nebula to star clusters, all embedded in an extended patch of gaseous wisps in the greater Orion molecular cloud complex. The brightest 3 stars on the far left, or indeed the famous Mimas in Saturn light. Datum: 202-10730. Peering from the shadows. The Saturn-facing hemisphere of Mimas lies in near darkness alongside a dramatic sunlit crescent. The mosaic was captured near the Cassini spacecraft's final close approach on January 30, 2017. Cassini's camera was pointed in a nearly sunward direction, only 45,000 km